Hey homies, today we got to look at the Mezco 112 Space Ghost. Let's have a gaze. Here's the side of the box, here's the back. He comes with blip, he comes with a lot of great effects. Let's see, the only thing he doesn't come with is a talk show desk. Alright, let's have a gaze. So we'll take off the plastic, or maybe we'll just take it all off at once. There. Alright. And now we'll open him up. Wait, I'm doing it wrong, aren't I? Yeah, I am. Well, firstly, look at that. Look at that beautiful picture of Tad there. This is amazing. I can't believe it. And there he is there. His goodness, okay? I've had this guy for a while now, but I haven't really taken him out of the box. But now's a good time. Now's a very good time, you know what I mean? Nothing else in there, just cheeky Tad. Alright, so what comes included with our boy here? Nothing there. There's our boy Tad. The stand is cool. Oh my gosh. Total fail whale moment, am I right, homies? But we got the hands here. We'll just go back there, I guess. Screw it. But here's the stand, and he's got an arm for the stand somewhere. Oh, I think it's in the secret underneath tray. Oh, there it is. Yeah. Ugh, he's got a lot of effects. He's got a lot of everything, doesn't he? Oh my gosh, I don't want to break anything. I'm a bit stupid, aren't I? I'm a bit stupid. Alright. Just pop that out. And then we'll pop this in. And I'll just leave that for now. While we take a look at your boy Tad himself. So, oh, here he is here. He's got a plastic sheet. Oh, we'll just slip him out there, and here he is. Here's your boy, Space Ghost, Tad Ghostal. He looks incredible, don't he? He looks amazing. He's handsome, I'll tell you that. Captures the look perfectly, I reckon. Really looks good. Mezco figures are really well articulated. They have fabric clothing, fabric material clothing. It's really crazy. That's why I haven't taken it out of the box. I don't want to just ruin it. But, you know, very posable. Double joints. A bit limited due to his plastic gauntlets. His head is one piece, which is fine. Just because that's, you know, that's how the character looks. But, you know, you can do what you need to do. You can do what you need to do indeed. Will you stand there? Look at Tad standing there like a goose. Yeah. Leg posability. Let's just go through the posability properly. So head is on like a, it's on a single ball and socket there. Arms, due to they can go about a bit less than 90 degrees forwards. Same back. I'm sure you could work it a bit better with the fabric. I just am worried. Very well out, which is nice. You know, you could get him flying or doing something very Space Ghosty. He's also got a big, flexible, wired cape, which is nice. Very posable. You know, get him doing whatever you want. Tad Ghostal, he's gonna come kick the shit out of you. Yeah. A nice double joint at the elbow, but again, limited there. And then, at the wrist here, it's a peg, like a swiveling peg here that also will rotate around. So you can like change the position of the fist and stuff. Oh! Goofy. I'm so goofy. I want to put that on there though. Okay, there. His waist, he's got like a, I don't know, it's definitely a crunch. You can go forwards. You can go back. You can go side to side. You know, it's nice. There's some rotation there. You can do it all. You know, he's gonna friggin' deck you, bro. Whatever. And then now for the legs, you can go forwards, just a bit less than 90. Back, not very far, because he's got a bit of a butt sculpting under there. Is there rotation? Yes, there's a rotation in his legs there at the top there. Thigh rotation. He's got a nice double joint as well. Pretty cool. And then his boots are on a forward and backwards rotation, and they can swivel side to side as well. So altogether, you know, Tad's very well posable. He's a cool dude, isn't he? He's a very cool dude. He'd get you though. He's mean. Too mean. What a cool guy. Let's keep going with accessories then. So that's empty there. He's got the stand, which we shall place him upon, just cause. No, we won't, because then it'll be too hard to do the accessories. We'll just keep Tad there for now. Alright, in tray 1 we have an accessories baggie, which is nice. We have 2 big effect pieces as well, which is cool. Let's see how they work then. So this one is for his right hand. I don't know if you can see the thumb sculpted in there, but just pop the ball joint off the hand there, and then stick this one on. Oop. Oh, but don't break anything. Golly, don't break anything. Oh my gosh, I'm so silly. I'm so silly. I'm such a daffer. Daffer duck. Okay, whatever. It's in there enough. But look at him blasting there. No, Space Ghost. All these buttons on his gauntlets are how he does it. So we'd like crossover. I can't do it. I'm sure I could do it, but he's blasting there. Look at him, he looks freaking mean. Bang, he's gonna get you. And then this one, again, there's just a hole there that will connect into the peg, I reckon. Yeah, pretty gnarly. There's also a butterfly joint there, I think, a very slight one. But look at him there blasting, he doesn't give a shiz. Space Ghost is mean, he's cruel, he's a nasty, nasty boy. We'll keep the hand off for now. Other accessories, this is more classic. I'm stabbing myself in the hand trying to get this on. Whatever, it's not on all the way, but whatever. He's more classic. Rays, which he uses on Coast to Coast a lot. I haven't seen much of the classic show, if any at all. But he always blasts Zorak, and usually the guest with this bad boy is he's sitting there at the desk. You know, talking to a stupid TV with Moltar. You know, eating people or Zorak harassing him. It's pretty good. Sometimes Brack will be there. Ooh. He's also got like a fist attachment, like a punch, which I was not aware of, which is cool, which I have not put on there properly. But that's cool, it's a nice fist looking thing there. He'd deck you, bro. Tad Ghostal would deck you. He's a very cool guy, he's a handsome guy. Ugh. And then finally for blast accessories, we've got this big one, which is kind of wicked nah. You know, I don't want to lie to you guys, but this thing is absolutely wicked nah. And Tad Ghostal looks wicked nah wielding such an amazing weapon, an amazing blast. He's insane, isn't he? He's cool. He's totally heck. Alright, here we go for hands, finally. For hands, he's got... Ooh! We out here. Alright. So for hands here, Tad's got like a left hand for operating and pushing the buttons on the gauntlet, which I'll show off now. See? So you can like press the buttons and zap people. You know how we do. Beep beep boop. He's got some like outreaching, grabbing hands, a right hand blast, and just like some relaxed open hands, as well as the fists. Which is, he's a cool guy, you know? Okay, there. There's my boy, and he's looking sick. With his cape blustering in the wind. He's gonna friggin' get you. He's gonna hurt you. I wouldn't recommend getting hit with these lasers. I've seen what they do. But, he also comes with a head, an extra head, more of a scowling, angry head, which we'll put on now. This is, you know, he'd normally grunt and go, "Arr, Zorak!" Well, you know, he'd kill Banjo, his beloved pet. It's insane what Tad used to get up to on the show. Dude's a savage. Dude's insane. Coast to Coast is one of my favorite shows of all time, and Tad's a hero. Look at him. And then finally for accessories we have, right, we'll put it on the stand now just to show it off a little bit in the background while we look at our final accessory here. Ew. Then finally we have Blip the monkey, and he's very well articulated. Kind of disgusting looking because he's a gross monkey, but he's well sculpted, got lots of articulation, like a full 360 rotation and like a double bell, as in like a double hinge rotation. No wrist or hand articulation at all. His head can look up and down and all around. And his legs again have like a, you know, like a weird joint that is sculpted into his crotch. You know, it's weird. And then also like another weird double bend, and also some feet articulation. So he's a cool little monkey. I don't think Blip was ever in Coast to Coast, except maybe for like where they maybe blew him up or something. But he's dead. And then finally we'll do some pee pee poo poo. Okay, and by pee pee poo poo I obviously meant size comparisons. So let's go here. First of all, we've got like more of a standard Hasbro 6-inch size figure of Psycho Red. So he'll scale well with you know, Marvel Legends, the new G.I. Joe series, and these Power Ranger figures. We've also got a Kamen Rider figure art here of Ichigo. I think they look pretty good together though. Ichigo's a bit dusty because I'm a fool. He's a bit smaller, but I think that works well. Tad is like a ghost alien thing, whatever that is. Then we've got a Figma here of, I don't know, Goblin Slayer or something. I don't watch shows. I like cool designs though. A bit small. I think that works well if you're like a skinny dude or female or something. I like this design. I don't really know what the character is or whatever. There we go. Then we've got one of my favorite figures of all time, the 1000 Toys Knights of the Slice. I think that again works pretty well together as like a more lanky sort of. I know he's thin, but like you could fudge it. There, and then finally, a DBZ figure who we've got saying I'm a Trunks, and he's looking cool as heck. But there's the crew. I think they look cool together. I think they're a cool dude. Collectively they're all one cool dude. But the focus here is our boy Tad, aka Space Ghost. And boy is he a nice dude. I love him. I love him to bits. I love him to bits. I wanna kiss him on the lips. I love him to bits. I wanna kiss him on the lips. Okay, I think that's enough for me. That was a David Lee Hart song. He's an icon and a hero. But anyway, that's the end for me. Mezco figures are always amazing. There is a version I might pick up of this as well, where his special stitching, like his whole suit glows in the dark. But I don't think it's as flush and as smooth as this bad boy is. Like it looks like it glows in the dark, is what I'm saying. But this guy is amazing. At 100 out of 10, Space Ghost is the best. I think it was Jazzwares or some other older company. I think they did a plastic Space Ghost series and that came with the desk, so I might pick that up as well. But yeah, Space Ghost, Trunks, and Ichigo, the three kings. Bye.